Alright, back inside. Jeez. We're gonna be doing some Bob Rossing today. Today I'll try to teach y'all how to draw an eye. Or, well, like the iris, or the pupil, the little circle part. I don't know, whatever. So we're gonna start out with a simple plus sign. It's really easy. You just draw a little plus sign, and there you go. We've done it. We've got our plus sign, and then we're gonna draw a circle within this plus sign. We're gonna draw a tiny one for the pupil, right in here. And then we'll draw the bigger one for the rest of the eye. Yeah, just try to make sure that it's sort of even on each side. Make sure it's a circle, I guess. I don't know. Alright, you should sort of kind of end up with something like this. A circle with a smaller circle inside. So we have our starting point, right? And our drawing is going to be based around this starting point. So from here, we're going to draw some. We're going to draw what I like to call our pie cuts. So this is basically our pie, and we're just going to do little cuts in there, kind of splitting it sort of randomly. We'll do 3 of the 4 quadrants, and we'll leave one open for the reflection. So we'll do one here. You know, just kind of stagger them around. Alright, there we go. Now for this last quadrant, we're gonna put in reflection. It can be basically any shape. For today, we're just gonna do like a little circle thing. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Just needs to look somewhat natural. And there you have it. There's your little There's your little reflection, right? So what we're gonna do from here is we're basically gonna fill in each one of these pie cuts a certain way. I'll start off with this one right here. I'm just gonna sort of get the crust here and try to fill it in, adding in some lines here, sort of darkening in the edge, and really trying to blend it in, make it look natural. And then near the pupil here, we're gonna do the same thing. Sort of trying to leave the gap a little bit empty. Blending it in a little bit, but trying to make sure the gap is the lightest part. Well, we have the border is dark, and the middle in here is kind of dark, and we have this sort of gap in between. So it should look something like this, and then you're gonna color in your little part of the pupil right here. Just sort of add some more detail. And there we go. So what I'm gonna do from here is basically just repeat this pretty simple process. Just repeat it for all my other pie crusts, right? So I'll just do that real quick, and I'll meet you back when I have all this done. go. Alright. So now we have our eye 3/4 complete. Yeah, right there. We're basically just gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna simply go around our reflection right here, and we're gonna finish this up pretty much. Alright, let's go. There we go. From here, you're pretty much done. It's just for me, I like to just do a once over on everything. Make sure the edges are well shaded just around here, and sort of cover up these lines around the reflection, making it blend in a little bit better to the eye. But overall, this is pretty much it. So I'll just do general shading and we'll be done. There you go. There you go. You got your iris. So yeah, this is a pretty good start. Pretty soon, like really soon, I'll be making another video on how to draw the rest of the eye. So that'll be coming out. Look out for that. Like, or I don't know. Just yeah, it'll be coming out. I'd say just practice this just whenever you got time in math class or whatever. I don't know. Even if it's just like one of these little quadrants, I mean, you can just fill it in. It doesn't take too long. I try to do these, you know, every once in a while just to practice. But yeah, that's it. Not too hard. Hopefully you didn't have too much of a hard time. I'll be making another video on how to draw the rest of the eye pretty soon if it's not out already. So thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. You can go down and like the video if you want to, but you don't have to, because I wouldn't force that on you. But it would be very nice if you would, and I would really appreciate it, but you don't have to. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thank you for your time. Until next time, I will, yeah, so thanks.